Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would like to come back to the topic of the choice of the countries concerning the high-level segment. And I will like to draw your attention on Central African countries because I'm in one of the part of the Central African countries, and I see that the Central African countries need also to have a summit or to host a big summit like this one. So I don't know if you make some consultation in Central African countries. I'm coming from Cameroon, so like NGO, Cameroonian NGO Health and Environment Program, which I preside. I think we have to make some lobby to our countries in Central Africa, Cameroon, Chad, and Gabon, because I think they can seize this opportunity also to keep in touch with you to see how they can make it in this region because West Africa is West Africa, Central Africa is Central Africa, and I want to just that to draw your attention in the part of Central African countries also to involve them to make some plaidoyer to see how they can host a conference or a summit on this aspect. I don't know if now you decide to follow in Geneva in June, or is it also still alternative? Or so I want to have a answer of that. Thank you.
Yeah, madam. For this event, high-level, which is clustering high-level event, we already decided to have a meeting here in June this year. That is clear. And originally, we talked about the possibility to organize this event in Senegal. So Senegal, October last year, sent us letter to invite big event there and WTDC, saying we could not organize WTDC. So we come back with a proposal to organize this meeting there. It's a little bit late. So they already planned some other activities, and we don't have a chance to wait too long. So finally, we decided to have a meeting here in Geneva this year. In the future, we keep this in mind. We will see.